Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you are doing well and safe at home. Today we will revise a maths topic, that is count and circle. As I told you in the previous video, how you can count the objects given and how you can find the correct number. So let's start doing it by counting the object one by one and then cutting it. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are these? 4. So where is number 4? Is it number 4? No. Is it number 4? No. Is it number 4? Yes, it is number 4. So we will circle it. So come to the next one. There are trees. So what we will do? Yes, we will start counting the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are these? 5. So find the number 5. Yes, it is very easy to find. It is very easy to find. Here is it. Yes. First one is number 5. So we will circle it. Come to the next one and start counting it. 1, 2, 3. Where is number 3? Yes. First one is number 3. So we will circle it in the same way. Come to the last one. There are cats. So let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are these? 8. Where is number 8? Yes, same like above. In the first one there is number 8. So what we will do? We will circle it. So same like this. There is a second worksheet. You will do it by yourself to clear the concept of count and circle. You can do it very easily by watching the previous worksheet as I solved it. So do it again and again at home to practice. Thank you so much.